Welcome to 361 Los Pinos Place. Come inside.
Thank you so much for welcoming us to this beautiful residence.
It's a pleasure.
So what is the highlights of this house? As I know, it's located in an amazing area, Cocoplum, which is the most desirable area in Miami, right?
Yes, it's very desirable because we have here private marinas. We have beautiful waterfront homes, and this house has 130 feet of the water frontage, and we have 55 feet dock. So the future buyers can enjoy a Miami lifestyle easily here.
Amazing. How many bedrooms?
So we have 5 bedrooms, 6.5 bathrooms. We have a spacious living room. We have a formal dining and oversized kitchen.
Amazing. Let's see the house. My name is Katya Molina and I'm your local real estate advisor in Miami.
My name is Vlada Finsky. I'm a founder of Opus Design and a partner of Opus Development. We designed and developed this beautiful home. So this is a wine testing area. We decided to put the built-ins where you can serve a nice wine for your guests. You can place all the glasses here in those cabinetry. We have 2 refrigerators for the wine on both sides, and you can serve your wine to your guest right here and enjoy a glass and have a nice conversation with them. So please.
Thank you.
So the idea behind the color scheme for this house was to make it very neutral, monochromatic, so the future buyer can add some personal touch, some personal pieces to this design very easily. Welcome. So this is the office space, and I designed this space following the recent trend of remote work, where people want to have a designated space where they can work from their home.
Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel. And of course, follow me on my Instagram account, which is realtor.katya. See you in the next video.